back to Tyler and Anna Talk. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tyler, and we're nutritionists at Beach Medical.
So today we're going to be discussing how to pack a lunch for your children or even pack a lunch for yourself when you're going to work, because it saves so much money, and you can also pick what foods you want in your lunchbox.
Yeah, kids really should, I think, eat stuff from home more than in the cafeteria. They don't have a lot of great choices, and if they're given the choices, they start to get older, they're not going to pick the good things. So definitely sending them with a lunch is a good idea. And while you're at it, make lunch for yourself.
Yes.
Like, a lot of moms will forget about themselves and just prep for their kids, but you're already doing it, so it's a perfect opportunity to make something for yourself.
Just like meal prepping, how we talked about in one of our past videos, it saves you time, it saves you money, and it's easy. It makes the week go by so smooth, and it's just it's good because you know what you're putting in your body. So with school lunch, we try to make it easy for you guys to follow. So you just want to make sure when you're packing your child's lunch, you just want to make sure you're getting all the 5 food groups.
Yeah.
It's like the protein, the dairy, the fruit, the vegetable, and the grain.
Yep, definitely. So I usually start with that main thing. So whether it's like a sandwich or a wrap are good ideas. If you're personally trying to do the carb-free thing and you're trying not to do it at lunch, think about your meat source and just getting a good
salad
protein in there.
Yeah.
Yep, so that's step 1 is figure out what your main course is, I suppose.
Yeah, and then step 2, pick 2. So that can be a fruit and a vegetable. Yeah. So you can have some celery sticks, carrot sticks, some strawberries, grapes, so just the colors.
Yeah, get the colors in. Kids need all their colors, and the more that you keep introducing it to them, the more they're going to be okay with it and learn to love it as they get older too.
Right.
So setting them up for success.
Exactly. And then step 3 would be pick 1. So you could pick a fun little, I like to say a fun snack. I mean, kids are kids, so maybe you can throw in some little, some goldfish, or if you want just some whole grain crackers, you could throw in some pretzels, just something so they can nibble on something. I mean, kids like colors and fun little animal crackers, just something like that.
Yeah, picky snacks. And then nuts would be also an easy, really good option too.
Maybe some cranberries, like dark chocolate. If your kid does kind of have a little sweet tooth, not saying we were promoting it, but sometimes they do.
You want to meet them in the middle a little bit.
Yeah. And then the last step is just a drink. So we obviously water. That's
water, more water. Your kids nor you, neither of you guys need juice. It's not a good idea. And it doesn't set them up for the day. They're going to be wired and then they're going to crash, and it's just not good for teachers or for their learning or for you when they get home. So
that's all you need to do to pack a lunch, and you can do the same thing every day. You can change it up, communicate with your child and see what he or she would like, or kind of meet them in the middle, just like what Tyler said. You don't want to restrict them, but you want to make sure that they're eating all of their food and not throwing it away, because I know some kids who do that. They're very sneaky. They say they ate it and they threw it away.
Yeah.
And even for adults, I know Tyler and I, we make a lot of our food. So we make dinner, I make dinner, and I bring half of it for lunch the next day.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to bring yourself a lunchbox to work.
Yeah, there's so many cute lunchboxes.
There are. Everyone knows a cute little purse-looking thing. So definitely bring your lunchbox. Have everything prepped, like those veggies chopped, those strawberries cut, and that way you grab, and put it in your lunchbox and go. So
it really is great. I make mine the night before, so that way when I say I'm running a little late, I just literally go in the refrigerator, take my lunchbox, and everything is in there.
Nice.
It saves my life. In the mornings, I'm good to go.
Yeah,
and I know I'm never gonna go get fast food, or I know I'm not gonna be home and be starving and eat the whole pantry. So it really is very helpful, and you do know that you will know that your kid and yourself, you're getting proper nutrition.
For sure.
So, do you have any other questions? Or any
No, I think
comments?
that was good.
Yeah. And last thing, make it fun. I always write, or my mom used to write me a cute little note in my lunchbox, and I love that.
Best.
So just it should be fun.
Idea.
Yeah, I love that.
That's such a good way to make that more personal and make them look forward to bringing their lunch to school.
It's fun.
That's cool.
Well, we will see you guys next time, and don't forget to click the link and subscribe and follow. We would love to do more videos with you guys, so please like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.